So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to share another free coupon for this PHP course. After you add in the coupon, this course will be 100% free, and this course title is PHP for beginners. The complete PHP MySQL video course created by web coding, and this course having a 4.5 rating. And also after so what you learn in this course, they are provided the details. You will be able to learn command PHP concept, and you will dive deeper in web development process, and you will build the CV and unlock your potential as a developer. You will dive into video and learn some complex techniques. Some of the advantages you are getting after completing this course. So this course is having a full-time access, and you guys can have a certificate of completion by Udemy. And this course having 81 lectures within 9.5 hours. So you need just the requirements, just you need a PC and active internet connection. So let's see how to get this coupon and enroll with this course for 100% free. So guys, first of all you need to log into your Udemy account, and so you can see now I am log to my Udemy account, and you need to open a new tab. Then you need to copy this link. The link I will provide it in comment section, and you need to copy that link, and you need to paste the link with the new tab and press enter. When you are going to this link, this link also included the coupon. Therefore the coupon is automatically added to this course because of that link. If you are unable to get this enroll with this course for free, try to log with another account. And also this is the coupon code, you can try this also. This is the code, but I am recommended to log with the link because it is very easy. And after you log into this course, and this we can see they call it 100% free, and you can now enroll. So press enroll now, and you will see your cart is now totally $0. So you can click enroll now. So there I have a message, you have successfully enrolled with this course. And now you can see we can start this course and access to this course content for free. So I have a reminder guys, this coupon is only valid for limited time period, and only for first 1,000 students who are using this course are only for valid for free. So after that 1,000 student limit, this coupon is getting expired. So hurry up and use this course immediately, because so many students trying to use these kind of coupons. So that is enough for today guys. So we will meet in next video. If you have missed this chance, don't worry, there are so many coupons are available in future. Therefore please keep in touch with our latest videos, because these courses are only for limited time period. Therefore please make sure to watch our latest videos, and you can use that coupons very easily. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. To make sure to share videos and share to your friends who might be helpful these courses. So thank you.